one of our major problems now is LPG. Um, so now we're starting to go around for the restaurants and beverages kasi maybe we can lower the consumption for a bit until we get the supply coming in. We have 25 days for LPG. And yesterday we were meeting with Secretary Chris Roque, and we'll go industry per industry. For on our part, on the power side, we've met several times already with the oil companies, with the off-grid diesel power plants, with NPC, with President Coco here, with also the coal even. Ang ask namin sa mga diesel power plants is to ramp down lang sana, no, for the meantime, and but not to the extent that will sacrifice their services. Pero kasi malaki ang increase ng cost eh. So our UCME is not increasing, so they have to cut on the number of hours if that so happens. No, so but we're trying to work out that they can bring in sana maybe mix it with biofuel if that will control the cost. But we've been coordinating with the other agencies para iniisa-isa so that they can also understand where we are at and that we need their cooperation also on savings. Like one of our major problems now is LPG. So now we're starting to go around for the restaurants and beverages kasi maybe we can lower the consumption for a bit until we get the supply coming in. We have 25 days for LPG.